Alright, what is going on, guys? I am Turkey and welcome to the Chance Cubes version 2.1.1 changelog, and I'm going to run down through most of the key points and changes that I've made to the mod here for version 2.1.1. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first big change you'll probably notice is that there is now this block called the Chance Cube Dispenser, and if I place it down here, you'll notice that a rendering of a Chance Cube is above it. This block is mainly in the mod for streamers, YouTubers, who other people actually use this mod for a donation system, or in other ways they already have a infinite Chance Cube supply system set up. So this works the same way as a barrel. Actually, if I hop out of game mode 1, I can right click it and it gives me Chance Cubes there. So you can see down here, it gives me Chance Cubes. And I can just right click normally without shifting. It'll give me a stack of 64, which I don't really want right now. And you also notice that if I right click it, it takes Chance Cubes back, so if you get too many, you can put them back in. And lastly, if I shift right click it, it will change the cube that it gives me. So I can now get icosahedrons, I can put them back, and then lastly I can also get the giant Chance Cubes. And like I said, it works the same way as a barrel, except you need to have the cube in your hand in order to put it back. Interesting. And it will also not put all the cubes back. It'll only put one at a time. So, and also, like I just said right there, it will not put a cube back if it's the wrong cube type. So, there you go. And hop back out of this game mode. The next big thing that has been changed is the biodomes. So you see here, it's a change in terms of how they generate. It is much more efficient now, so it should be less laggy for some people. It doesn't really work for me. I tried. It doesn't quite work for me, just because it's not really been laggy for me anyways. But for people who it has been laggy for, it should be improved now. So the next change here is Chance Cubes. Before, you could go and break them with the Slick Touch pendant, and they would go ahead and just straight up read what their chance was. Now, if you want that to happen, if you go to break one, you'll notice that the chance value is still random. Actually, and the only way for it to actually say chance value is you actually have to scan it before you break it, and now it'll actually read the chance value. Now it's been scanned. So a little bit of a kind of helping hand to the scanner to make it more worth it and not just go straight for the Slick Touch pendant, which would before will not only give you the cube, but it also tell you its chance value. And then the last change I made was there's a small note at the bottom of all the tier pendants that have a little disclaimer. Basically, the chance value they give them is in no way related to a percentage. It's simply just a chance increase. The chance values go from negative 100 to 100. And it simply adds it in. It is in no way related to a chance, so this is not a 100% luck chance, it's just a plus 100. Now on to more of the new rewards and the changes to the rewards. The first thing is there are two new rewards. If I go ahead and put the new one, the first one is a salute to the old lucky blocks, the precursor to this. And it is one of the more iconic ones that I've actually had people suggest for me to put in, but to actually make it work like it should. So it is the classic, one is lucky, one is not, and it truly is, one is lucky, one is not. Except I have the pendant here, I can get rid of that. So you can see one is actually really good, one is not. And essentially, if I break one, it gives a reward and the other one disappears. So you can only get one to spawn at a time. It doesn't matter which one you pick. They do alternate. They're all random. And, well, I shouldn't have done that. But you get the point. It is one of the more well-known Lucky Block rewards. And I thought I'd include it, but also do it kind of right this time. So hopefully guys, you can enjoy that one. Alright, the next reward here is the Rotten Food reward, and it basically does kind of what it seems like. You'll notice that in my inventory here I have a bunch of melons, and I go and click it, and now the melons are all rotten. There's a little bit of an update. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but it changes all of your food items into rotten flesh. So neat little concept there. If you have carry food, might want to think twice now. Alright, so now into the last thing here. The last reward is I removed the zombie copycat reward, and it's due to a few things, but mainly it's due to a jetpack bug, which is being shown here. If you have a jetpack on, and a zombie takes it, it will basically use that jetpack and fly up. I was no way for me to really fix this, and there are also a few other bugs that were with this reward, so in all I decided to remove it from the mod, and hopefully I can come up with something of this nature. I really liked it, but the bugs are unfortunately there's too much for me to keep it in. Alright, so now onto the kind of the reward changes and updates, as well as the smaller tweaks. First thing is the anvil rain. Go ahead and type it in. Anvil rain. It now spawns a cobblestone box around you, kind of make it a little bit harder so the player can't just run outside the area and totally avoid everything. There's a little bit of cobblestone box now to kind of make you avoid the falling anvils, make the reward a little bit more difficult for the player. Next, the squid horde reward for squid mango. It now spawns your squids with some water to help them out, so they don't all just sit there and die. Now, they kind of leak out a bit, but hey, you know, they have water now. They can be happy, right? Sort of. Or do whatever squids do. I don't know. Next, these two things are not really visible, but the message for the giant chase cubes has been removed. It's been kind of getting annoying, and it's been long enough to where I think I can remove it. As well as the path to suck has been changed to the path to succeed, because reasons. Yeah, reasons. And now for the smaller tweaks. On a kind of different note, there is now a global disable rewards. Much like how the custom rewards work and the holiday rewards, there is now one system for global disable rewards. So if there's a reward that's bugged or it isn't working properly, I can disable it globally for a mod version. As with all the other reward systems like this, you can disable it in the config if you choose to not be a part of it. A bug has also been fixed with the MC versioning dependency in the custom rewards. So if you have been having that problem with a crash or something related to that, when you have a version dependency on your rewards, that has been fixed. A in-game crash with the reward editor has also been fixed, along with a problem with a mod crashing in the environment. That shouldn't really help that should not really help many people, but that has been fixed. And last little thing here is fixing a spelling error on the Knockback Zombie reward. So if you have that disabled, know that it has been changed, and you have to disable it again because the name has changed. So thank you guys for watching the Chance Cubes version 2.1.1 changelog update video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.